Rosie, you're washing my dishes. Oh, grateful, Rosie. Roaming on the streets of Pokhara to buy a lot of stuff. Bought a lot of stuff already, like a cooker and cutleries and groceries. Still a lot to buy. And now we are in the market. This is kind of a city center. We are planning to buy some curtains. And yeah, let's see. And after that we'll go back. We have to fix the water leaking issue. It's getting bad day by day. The water is leaking everywhere, and the power issue is pretty bad. We have to stop everywhere to charge. So we'll fix everything today. And I really wanted to paint the van today, but the weather is not feasible. But what to do? Let's see. Let's find a good place, and I want it to be 100% complete ASAP. So yep. उधर नहीं चाहिए, इधर सेम साइज है, सेम साइज में और दो कर दो. उधर नहीं चाहिए, उधर इधर. Chengdu restaurant, our favorite Chinese food we have. Oh, there is another dog also.
Let's go.
Come, Milo, come. Huh? Milo, come. Come. So this is our favorite Chinese place.
Yours.
I mean ours. Chengdu restaurant. We like it so much. We usually order rice, potato, and pork and all. So this sauce, this is not meant to.
Hot pot sauce.
It's a hot pot sauce. It's not meant to have with any other food, but I really like it, and this is also one reason that we come here. Where is this spring onion, Rosie?
After driving the van here, he's still having a lot of expensive food and snacks.
Hot pot sauce, pork and potato and rice. This is our favorite dish, and every time our favorite dish, every time we come here we order. This is like the trademark. The best every time. Oh, we can exchange the money in the place there where you exchanged. So we are going
the
to.
exchange rate is very low. It's only 1.52.
It's okay. Today they might have updated. So we are going to this Wendy's with our own van this time, and Milo is going to meet that cat. Let's see what happens. Stomach is so full.
Yeah.
Good Chinese food we had.
No, it's not that good.
Yeah, it is good. So yeah, let's go have some lemonade and chill. Yeah.
Hey, be careful. Oh, yeah.
It's small dog. Same, back to Wendy's. Milo. Milo. Ah, Milo pa. Milo pa. Milo pa.
Very scared. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
It's okay, leave. Okay. The Wendy's cat ran away. The cat was the reason we come to Wendy's. But seeing this Milo, he got scared. It's okay, Rosie, leave him.
Hey!
No.
No. It's okay. It's okay. He wants to be friends with you. It's okay. It's okay.
We are almost successful in fixing the solar. But the thing is, I needed some extra wire, so I just cut it from here. And hopefully, if I get it done from today, we will have solar power. I'll take you a tour what's happening. Then I have to look. Sitting on the top of the van and finally about to fix the solar issue. Let me explain what's been happening. Yeah, so I'll show you how much power we are getting now from these. All we have to do is just plug it. So yeah, just see how much power we have. 39.6 watts, man, that's like a lot. We have batteries and inverter to only hold 24 watts, so we are getting more power than we need. But the thing is, somehow the connectors were damaged, so I did use this spare connectors that I had. So I'll be fixing it to the power input right here, and boom, I think the power will be back. Also, meanwhile, I was fixing all these pods with M-Seal because it's leaking inside the van, and we don't know if it's still fixed yet, but let's see. Yeah, so it's fixed. I think we are getting power now. This is a new one that I added. So this goes to here. This I just cut it and I extended. So there was some problem with the connectors, and now it's been fixed, and now we have solar power thanks to this multimeter we bought yesterday. Van life is like hard, especially when you have like a science project kind of setup, but it's okay, it's not a big deal, right? If we are man enough to fix everything, then I think it's not a big deal. And I just saw the water tank is very dirty and we are running so low on water. I don't know how to really like take all this dirt out, but anyway, one problem at a time. So water leaking is fixed, solar is fixed, and that's all we have to do is just paint the van now, and we'll do its stickering, and then it will be good to go. Yep. So this part, it's not easy. You can like close it. With this, it will look. The point is, if we close it, inside it will look black and it will look nice and authentic. So yeah, we started to paint because it's a sunny day, and Rosie is like, she did all the laundry and we are drying some clothes. This is our setup, and the power is back. Water leaking is stopped. We are planning to go for a lake we'll take a quick shower once the painting is done, and we'll go to the lake and chill. That will be the spot for next 1 week. It's a beautiful spot. So yeah, let's get it done now. Painting done. We painted it fully black. That side also. And this, we are planning to stick red matching with theme.